Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, yang untuk B1, white beads, that it's quite direct kan. It's just plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, constant difference. So, artinya I can just directly use the formula that we know. T2 minus T1n plus T0, which leads us to 2n ke tak? Yeah, 2n plus 3. Okay, right, now we're gonna do B part 2, which is this one. 6, 10, 15, 21. You want to go here ke? Ataupun you want to go tak? Macam ini dah berapa nampak pattern. So, maybe I will use the diagram. So, I see that 3, 2, 1. There is a pattern there. And then slowly just pattern 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Tapi I can't really see 3, 2, 1 relate to 6. How can I relate 3, 2, 1 jadi 6? How can I relate 4, 3, 2, 1 jadi 10? Maybe if I play around with the diagram, what if sekiranya I do that 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, forming another triangle with the same shape of beads. 4, 4, 4, and then 3. Okay. If I were to do that jua, ani, but the same thing here. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 5, 5, 5, 5, and then 4, 5. Okay, so understandably so, sini will be 6, here will be 5, sini will be 7, here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, 7, and here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sini 6. Now I see the pattern-ish. 4, 5, 6, and then for this one 4, 5, 6, 7, which means ada constant. For this one ada constant, and then for this one ada constant. Now you might think macam mana kan relate 4, 3 sama 6, 4, 5 sama 10, 6, 5 sama 15, 7, 6 sama 21. Do you see the pattern? Pasalnya 4 sama 3, kalau Zah kali jadi 12. Kenapa Zah kali jadi 12? Pasal, again, total. So, kalau kan cari total yang Ustazah buat biru sama yang original, totalnya adalah 12. Tapi Ustazah hendak sepatutnya ada biru. So, how do I get 12 jadi 6? Kan, so cancel the, divide by 2 will give me 6. And then, kalau sini, that is 20, divided by 2 will give me 10. And then here, 30 divided by 2 will give me 15. And then 42 will give me 21. I see that. Okay. So slowly I see a constant pattern there. So maybe if I were to do that again, tadi sini is a 4, 5. 4 and then 5 and then 6 and then 7, and then this one is startnya is 3 and then 4 and then 5 and then 6. Okay, now if I multiply untuk dapatkan total, I will get 12, and then I get here 20, I get here 30, I get here 42. Tapi untuk relate dengan yang ada original, kenapa yang ada? Sebab yang originalnya bukannya ada 2 macam Zah draw. Originalnya ada 1 saja. So Zah mesti divide by 2 untuk yang original, to get the original number. So I get that pattern. Okay, so which means that yang di atas ni 4, 5, yang ke-6, yang ke-7, Allah Akbar, yang ke-6 dan yang ke-7, plus 1 all of them. So pakai formula yang kita ni tahu, T2 minus T1, 1n plus sebelumnya is 3. Now I'm gonna use next one, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same also, T2 minus T1 will give me 1n, but now it's going to be plus 2 for the number before. Okay, now what do I do today? I multiply these two, multiply them, and then those two I divided by 2 to get the value of n here. So which means n plus 3 times n plus 2 over n. Okay, hindi payah di apa ni namanya, factorize. Tapi Total. Sudah terjawab. Okay, total value of n. So that's fine. That's it. Okay, next is to answer this part. Katanya only 88 white beads but a lot of black beads. So it's not total. In total banyak. Okay. A largest possible particle using these beads. Pattern P. So we don't know what P is. Work out the value of P. Tanya tahu white saja. So if we know white only, then we can do that kah? Boleh ke tu? So 2n plus 3 equals to berapa tadi? 88. So n equal to 88 minus 3, 82 divided by 2. 82 divided by 2. Lurus kah? Sudah. 82 kah? Am I wrong? 88 minus 3. 85 divided by 2. 42.5. Okay, katanya 42.5. Boleh cukup. Untuk 88 white beads, Ketani boleh buat pattern kalau pakai formula 42.5. Now your question is, kenapa in the 43 ke depan? Pattern 43, artinya you bayangkan kata Ustazah Ketani ada, let's say yang keempat ini. Yang keempat ada 1, 2, 3, 11 sudah juga ada ni. Astaghfirullah. Okay. So let's say kalau sekiranya Ustazah ada 12. Would that work? 12 beads. Let's say 12 white beads. So kalau 12 white beads, what do I have? 12 white beads. Using 2n plus 3. So just a quick one. 24. No, salah. Equals kan? Equals 12. So artinya n equal to 12 minus 3 divided by 2, which means 9 over 2, which means 4.5. 4.5. Pattern yang ke 4.5. Pattern yang ke 4.5, artinya you would question, artinya yang kelima kan? Kalau yang kelima, sepatutnya kata ni ada, Suzan ada jawapannya. 10 campur 3, 13. Okay? Tapi kata ni ada 12 white beads saja. Dan bila Uzza masukkan formula tadi, Uzza ada pattern yang ke 4.5. Artinya, Ustazah ini dah cukup untuk buat yang ke 5. Walaupun yang 4.5 ikut logik kata ni naikkan ke atas kan, plus 1. Tapi we have to understand the question. It's not just a simple number, but that number actually represent the pattern. Artinya pattern ni mesti ia whole number. So, we have a choice ke atas atau ke bawah. Agaknya kalau Ustazah pattern 5, I need 13 of white beads. But Ustazah ada 12 sahaja. Which means Ustazah mesti round down ke bawah, pakai 11 saja white beads, dengan lebih ada 1 white beads yang Ina berpakai. Sebab itu the word here is that largest possible pattern. Bila we have 88 white beads, what is the largest possible pattern? Ina semestinya kita ni pakai semua. Kita ni pakai sampai maksimum secukup-cukupnya. Maybe there is going to be remainder, which means kalau ada remainder tu kita ni dapat form ke depan lagi. Dalam hal ini dia dapat form pattern 43, dia cukup-cukupnya 42 saja. We cannot have a pattern 42.5 anyway kan. So I hope that's clear enough kenapa tadi round down instead of round up. Okay, thank you.